Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Kayla and today we're going to be doing some Halloween makeup. I'm going to leave links down below to all my past videos. I still love all of them, even though I did a Sally, as you'll see, 3 years ago, and I love this one more. But I do like that one too, just because it was my first time. I will see you guys in the rest of this video. Okay guys, so we are ready. I'm super excited to be blue again. So I'm gonna be using this blue, this white, so this like turquoise. I'm gonna start in the middle of my face and I'm gonna go out like this. Look how great the paint is already. Okay, so now that my face is all blue and so is my shoulders and my neck, I'm going to make the underneath of my eyes like very white. We're gonna highlight under our eye and just do it here on your nose and highlight some down here and then up here. So I'm actually gonna let that dry a little bit because I put a little too much water, but I'm also gonna put on other highlighting spots like here and here. Now I'm grabbing some dark blue and contouring a little bit here. And now I'm just going to buff everything in. Keep adding your turquoise in too. You don't want it to be like too harsh, you know. Do not wet your brush. It's kind of harder that way. Felt like my contour disappeared a little, so I'm just adding a little bit more. I look like I have really great cheekbones. For my nose, I'm gonna just take a little brush and highlight certain parts of it. Now I'm taking my darker blue paint and I'm going to contour my nose. And now I'm gonna draw out just a little thing of paint. So it's a little deeper, just a line here. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX palette here. It's so great. And I'm gonna use this color right here. And yeah, mostly this color. And I'm just going to give myself a crease. Now I'm gonna take the white and place it on my lid. So I'm going to take some black and add it into the crease a little bit. I'm gonna go in with a dark blue and just bring it in and attach it. Now it's time to start drawing on some of my stitches. The stitches is going to really pull the look together. Let's go with our smile. And I'm just gonna pull it in from the corner here, up. Kind of like here. I kind of like that. I also want to draw on some like little fake lashes. And now for my neck, do a bunch of little random white stitches. Let's see how I like this. Oh yeah, this is good. My white is like basically blue right now. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of pink and dab it on the cheeks just a little bit. Like that. Ooh, yeah. Because she's a doll, so I feel like it's okay if she has like a little bit of pink. I really wanted to line the white, so I'll just show you here what I mean. This is gonna give it more depth. Okay guys, so I literally love how it looks. I'm gonna leave a link to my video that I did like 3 years ago. Ugh. This is a wig cap. Okay, I had my hair in like a low bun, but here we go. The wig has bangs, which I love. If you're gonna get a wig, just get it with bangs, who cares? I know Sally's hair is supposed to be like split down the middle, but bangs just makes wigs look so much better, especially cheap wigs. Like this wig was $20. It's kind of worth it for me. I forget how much Spirit charges for their wigs, but I did not like Spirit's wigs. And this was from Amazon, 20 bucks. Okay, let's put this on. I love this. I love it. I love this idea of having the stitches snake up the face a little, kind of like behind the eyeball. I added a little Marilyn Monroe mole for no reason really. I just thought it looked cute. What is that? I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next Halloween video, I hope. And yeah, please do this look. If you do, and you did it because of me, you should tag me. My Instagram is Kayla_Limage. I would love to see your look. That'd be crazy. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.